Hello and welcome to this Forex Preview at xm.com. I'm Maria Pachordes, and joining me is lead investment analyst Rafi BoEdecision. We'll be discussing upcoming UK data and the outlook for the pound. So Rafi, on Friday, we'll get the latest flash PMI and retail sales figures for the UK, which will be the last batch of data before the Bank of England's policy decision on May 5th. What are we expecting to get from these numbers, and how are they likely to affect further rate hikes this year?
So Maria, that is right. The data could be important for providing clues as to what to expect from the next Bank of England meeting. Investors will be looking for signs that growth in the UK is slowing down. We've already had some signs of this because despite the recent strong PMI data, the picture isn't quite as rosy underneath the surface. Higher input costs are inflating the headline PMI readings, especially for the manufacturing PMI, and business optimism appears to have started to fade a little. So we're likely to see both of those trends continuing into April as the war in Ukraine rages on, and we haven't really seen any meaningful reversal in commodity and raw material prices. Moreover, the lockdowns in China have added fresh pressure on already strained supply chains. So expectations are that both the services and manufacturing PMIs will ease in April, although remain comfortably within expansionary territory for the time being. However, for retail sales, they're expected to have declined again month on month in March as consumers are being squeezed by the surge in food and energy prices. Another factor that's likely to have weighed on retailers in March is the fact that UK consumers have been spending more on services lately rather than on goods, following the complete lifting of all virus restrictions at the end of February. But as far as the Bank of England is concerned, policymakers will be mainly interested to see how the recent hikes in electricity and gas bills, as well as the rise in the national insurance rate at the beginning of April, affected overall demand in the economy. The BoE has become increasingly worried about the growth outlook as price pressures have intensified. So we could then forecast readings in the April PMIs would probably dampen expectations of the bank becoming more hawkish at the next meeting.
Taking a look at the pound now, it has been struggling lately. What are the odds of a big upside reversal?
Well, it is precisely those concerns about growth and the possibility that Europe is headed into stagflation that's been weighing on the pound lately. If Friday's data are stronger than expected, it might help sterling to claw higher a bit, but investors right now are more focused on what the BoE will do and say at its next meeting. Even then, however, a more hawkish bank will only go so far in reversing the pound's fortunes. And what will really be a game changer is if there were to be a de-escalation of the conflict in Ukraine.
Rafi, thanks so much. And thanks for joining us at xm.com.